Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a world beyond imagination, where only the most discerning guests find solace in pure luxury. Today, we present to you the curation of a lifetime, an enthralling glimpse into the most expensive and exclusive hotels our planet has to offer. Number 1. Burge Al Arab, Dubai, UAE. Our journey begins in Dubai, where the iconic sail-shaped Burge Al Arab stands tall, beckoning travelers with its unparalleled grandeur. Perched on its own island, it offers the epitome of luxury across its opulent suites, world-class dining options, and lavish amenities. Designed to impress even the most seasoned luxury enthusiasts, Burge Al Arab guarantees an extraordinary stay amidst bold and extravagant architecture. Number 2. The Plaza New York USA. Moving across the Atlantic to the bustling city of New York, we find the Plaza, an ageless symbol of grandeur and elegance. Nestled among the lights of Fifth Avenue, this legendary hotel exudes timeless sophistication and impeccable service. From the moment you step through the doors, you are transported into a world of luxury, where classic meets contemporary in every meticulously designed room. Number 3. Ritz Paris, Paris, France. Venturing into the heart of Paris, we discover the refined beauty of the Ritz Paris. This magnificent palace was the first hotel to ever bear the prestigious Ritz name, and it continues to set the standard for unparalleled luxury. Adorned with elegant furnishings, sumptuous suites, and a world-renowned spa, the Ritz Paris is a sanctuary for those seeking the very pinnacle of French hospitality. Number 4. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Returning to the captivating allure of the United Arab Emirates, we encounter the majestic Emirates Palace. This architectural marvel is synonymous with extravagant indulgence, where gold and marble adorn every inch of this regal retreat, from its pristine private beach to its awe-inspiring lobby. No expense has been spared in creating a haven fit for royalty. Number 5. The Seavoy London, United Kingdom. Crossing the English Channel, we arrive in London, where the legendary Seavoy Hotel awaits. With its rich history dating back to 1889, this iconic establishment has welcomed countless luminaries and continues to captivate guests with its timeless charm. The Seavoy effortlessly combines old-world glamour with contemporary luxury, offering a bespoke experience for every discerning traveler. Number 6. Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Journeying to the vibrant city-state of Singapore, we discover the architectural marvel that is Marina Bay Sands. This integrated resort epitomizes modern luxury on an unprecedented scale. With its world-class casino, awe-inspiring rooftop infinity pool, and a vast array of high-end shopping options, Marina Bay Sands has become a symbol of opulence. Number 7. Atlantis, the Palm, Dubai, UAE. Returning to the captivating beauty of Dubai, we find Atlantis, the Palm, an extraordinary hotel that transports guests into a mythical world. With its awe-inspiring aquatic landscapes, elegantly designed suites, and an underwater dining experience like no other, Atlantis, the Palm redefines luxury hospitality. Prepare to be immersed in a realm where dreams become reality. Number 8. Resort Bora, French Polynesia. Our final destination takes us to the incredible paradise of Bora, nestled in the azure waters of French Polynesia. The Four Seasons Resort Bora offers discerning travelers the chance to experience true bliss amidst breathtaking natural beauty. From private overwater bungalows to unrivaled views of Mount Haut-Manu, every aspect of this resort embodies the pinnacle of exclusivity. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world's most expensive and exclusive hotels. These extraordinary destinations redefine luxury, offering a retreat for those seeking the ultimate indulgence. Join us next time as we continue to explore the heights of opulence and the wonders of the world. Until then, keep dreaming big. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.